What? I just launched a meme coin on Solana with 1 Sol, and it already gave me plus 1,500% with 0 marketing. Snipers rushed in on their own. I didn't even expect that this method on how to launch a meme coin would work this well. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step rug pull tutorial strictly for educational purposes. To get started, we only need one website. It allows us to launch a meme coin quickly and easily, bypassing weaker platforms like Pump.fun, which are currently overloaded and inefficient. We'll go straight to the source, create the token, and immediately launch it into the meme coin trading market. Checking out Tokenclub.fun today, and honestly, if you're trying to drop a project without getting robbed by massive fees, this is the cheat code. It basically does all of the boring work for you. It handles the swaps and the liquidity, so you aren't sitting here stressing over the tech stuff. It's all gas, no brakes. Don't blink or you'll miss the start. I'm showing you exactly how to get your coin live and popping off. Step 1, link that wallet. I'm using Solflare to connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you are in. But use whatever, it even works with Binance.
Now, the real secret. If you want this coin to actually fly, the name has to be a total vibe. We're going with Alex101 for the name, and for the symbol, 101. Throw your logo in right here. And look, if you need a picture that actually looks good, just grab one from Gemini. Let's get it.
Next up, for the description, you can write whatever you want. Just move forward. Look, now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Token Club launches. Hit next. When we reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. I want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. I was waiting for this step. In the authorities part, make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, another huge red flag. The next thing asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.05 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Time to stop talking and start cooking. Smash that create token button and click through those wallet pop-ups. If you see a warning sign, ignore the noise, because it happens when the wallet is brand new. Hit accept and boom, we're officially live on the Solana chain. Grab that token address, keep it safe, and just like that, we're moving. Next move, we have to give this thing some legs so people can actually start buying. Slide over to the liquidity manager and hit initialize pool. Since the app already knows what we have, just max out that base amount to 100%. We're throwing the whole supply out there to let it breathe. For the Sol side, we're just tossing in a tiny bit. 0.01 Sol is literally all you need to start the fire. Hit that initialize pool button, confirm it in your wallet, and boom, we're in the game. Our coin is live and people can start buying. We can literally see it on the charts right now. Next, go to more tools and click the launch promo hub. That's going to take us straight to Coinface.fun, so you can start getting eyes on our project. Let's move. For those looking to accelerate their tokens growth, Tokenclub.fun provides a high-performance platform to promote and scale our project here at Coinface.fun. It effectively automates the technical hurdles, from exchange integration to professional landing page creation, allowing us to launch without writing a single line of code. Our current setup is performing exceptionally well. For specialized marketing support, check the top right link for promotion assistance. Promotion is just the start. Volume is what keeps the engine running. If you want that massive market cap, you need to be cooking 24/7. Head to Tokenclub.fun, turn on the volume bot. Hook up the wallet. I am connecting Solflare and it's connected. Now here we will paste our token address and hit the target button and let the bot do the heavy lifting. We're skipping Ghost Protocol and going straight for Precision Override because I haven't marketed my coin pre-launch, and so we need that instant heat. I'm dropping 3 Sol into this and it will put straight 1,350 transactions. If you're trying to see those green candles, more than 3 Sol will be the sweet spot. Don't be scared now. This is how you break the algorithm. Hit initiate sequence, confirm it in your wallet, and watch the show. Those green candles are going to start flooding the chart before you can even refresh the page. As we can see, transactions are piling up, and it's not going to stop here. Now it's time to see the live results of our coin. Let's check it. Look at Alex 101 right now. The volume is crazy. We're straight up breaking the ceiling. This is exactly why I use the volume engine. The numbers don't lie. It's all green. Check this out, $200+ million market cap. Just completely nuts. This is what happens when you combine a proven concept with a good promotion tool. People buy because the idea already worked before, and the promotion puts it in front of tons of potential buyers. What's crazy is how fast it happened too. Like within the first hour of promotion, I was already seeing some serious volume. By hour 2, the market cap had basically doubled, and then in the final hour, it just exploded. I've noticed this pattern with pretty much every successful launch I've done. The first hour is usually slow. People are cautious. Second hour, early adopters start jumping in. Third hour FOMO kicks in, and everyone wants to buy. Just look at the market cap. Can you believe it? One more successful launch. It's not gonna stop. We are trending on the charts. The $38,000 has been touched by liquidity. But now here's the part you actually care about. How do we profit from this launch? Go back to Tokenclub.fun. Ensure our wallet is properly connected, open the liquidity manager, and then click on the Remove Liquidity button. Wait a second while our pool ID will appear. Here we can see Pool ID has appeared. Now drag it to 100%. Hit Confirm Withdrawal. The transaction request will pop up. Ignore everything except the sol value. And as we guys can see, I'm going to receive like almost 427 sol around there. Don't waste the time here, hit approve. There it is, confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make more money than anyone in 2026. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $36,000, which is like 428 sol. You guys can see here, even though the market is down, we still made money. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word launch. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours and announcing it on my Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. So make sure you're following me there. Start launching.